Hey guys, Mike with NRGcreativ, and I have a June special for you guys on the flag mounts. Stick around, I've got something free for you. So, something free. Look at that. I called this little puck here the Flag Steady. And if you saw the video, I'll put it at the end of this one yesterday. This flag mount here, actually that's the dual combo mount, was put through some pretty rough conditions. And I do attribute it being able to hold up and work perfectly due to the addition of the Flag Steady. This is an additional brace that you can do to kind of give your pole a little bit more support up top, as well as in the mount. For the month of June, starting today until the end of June, if you purchase one of these two mounts, you're going to get the Flag Steady for free. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to enter a code. You just have to simply put those two products in your cart, and you'll see it'll automatically take the price off for the Flag Steady. So you need to purchase either this mount, and this is the dual. It's not the 360 only, it's the dual. Or you need to purchase the Game Changer flag mount. Either one of these, you purchase this, you click on it, and then you go to the listing for the Flag Steady. It is this puck, this green puck, but you can choose whatever color. It comes with the straps and everything you need to attach it. Once you put those two items in your cart, it will automatically take that puck charge off. It will be free. It will be included in your order. You don't have to pay for it. So that is for the month of June only. So this is how it looks. Purchased the dual setup, the 360 plus flag. This puck on your flagpole, which I highly recommend. This flagpole, I will put a link in the description. It fits it perfectly. You will insert the pole into your flag mount. This puck, from the bottom of the puck to the bottom of your pole, should be placed at 9 inches and snugged down. Once you do that, slide that in there, tighten your mount, and then these straps attach like so. So if you purchased the 360 plus the flag mount, the Game Changer 360 plus flag, this puck will be placed on your flagpole. I'll leave a link in the description where I purchased this on Amazon. The flagpole is designed specifically for it, or any flagpole that has the same dimension. You snug this down securely, and then your straps will go simply around your seat without scratching or harming it, through the buckle, and then tighten down. Don't over tight them. Do it on both sides, and now you are secure on the dual mount. Now guys, if you are purchasing the Game Changer flag mount only, your Flag Steady will need to be put from the bottom of the Flag Steady to the bottom of your pole. Needs to be put on 15 inches and then snug it down. Then it fits in there like so. Snug it down and attach your straps. On the Flag Steady description, please look at it. It will give you those measurements depending on which mount you choose. The only mounts that this is good for is the dual Game Changer 360 plus flag, or the Game Changer flag mount. Those are the only two mounts that it will come with this, and those are the two mounts that will be listed in the Flag Steady description as the measurements you need to put this puck on. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy it. Order now. Ships the next day.